Hey guys, this is Super Tech Guys for another guide video. So today we'll be learning how to put a motherboard into a case. So this motherboard is a Intel DG41TX classic motherboard, right? So it is a 775 LGA socket, and I have 4 gigs of memory, 2 plus 2, and a Intel Core 2 Quad Q9505 processor. So, and this case is a Cooler Master half HAFX case, like the biggest case in the world there. Yeah, that's it. So, first, take in the box that came with your motherboard, you should have some kind of back plate like this, okay? So here it is, okay? So once you have it, you just take it and you just line it up, just like, or no, actually it goes, wait a minute, how does it go? Goes like this. The motherboard's gonna be like that. So yes, it goes like this. Just like this. Right? Then you just take anything, a hammer or just a screwdriver, and just hit it in, make sure it's well in. Then you also need, here, before you screw it in, take your motherboard, and you see a lot of holes at the bottom of the case, right? And there's a lot of holes in the motherboard. So that's because they line up, and then so you could screw it in. So I already have mine in, because it's kind of a pain doing it and holding the camera at the same time. But, so all you guys need to do is just put it in, and then you just look and see, okay, so I need to put one of those little pins that come with your case, usually, your case and motherboard sometimes, but usually it comes with your case. And you look and say, okay, so I need one here, I need one there, there. After you mark them, and then after you just take the motherboard out, put these little things in, which like raise the motherboard from the ground, and make sure you don't put, like, you only put where you need them, because if they're somewhere else in the motherboard, like let's say here or something, it might screw up your slots or something, you know. So just make sure you do it properly, or don't do it at all, because you might just break everything. So here, I already have mine in, so once you have them all in, you just line the holes up and make sure this fits in perfectly, and there you go. You see, I don't know if you can see it, but I could kind of see that they're already all in there. Alright, so let's get the screws here. Okay, so you just take these little screws that come with the case, and you just screw them all in. So yeah, we're gonna cut, and I'm gonna do it after. We're gonna come back, and I'll show you what else to do after that. So see you in 5 minutes. Alright guys, so we're back, and I just finished screwing all the screws in. So now, as you can see, it is not moving at all. So now you could, connect all your SATA cables and power cables and whatnot. And if you don't know how to, I'll probably be making other videos really soon to guide you through making it, doing it properly. So this is Super Tech Guides. Please subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I will answer all your questions. Thank you.